Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a cat. So I made mine look like my cat paws, but you could always make yours look like whatever cat you want, color it however you want. So today you're going to need a pencil, you're going to need an eraser, and you're going to need a dark or black marker or Sharpie. Right, so you also need a piece of paper. So let's get started. All right. So you're going to make a sort of egg-shaped head. So almost towards the top, but make sure to leave room for ears. You don't want to make it too big. Just going to make a nice oval kind of shape and leave about an inch or inch and a half space so you can have a space for its neck. All right, now we're going to make its ears. So we're going to make a curve down, and then go straight in the middle. I'm going to go curve down, straight down the middle. Right, now we are going to make the back of the cat. So it's kind of going to be facing towards us a little bit to the side, and we're going to make it curve of the back. So we're going to go down and a curve out, make its booty, come back in there. Now we're going to make the other curve on the other side. So this is going to be the front of the cat, curve out a little bit, and go down, meet at the same spot where the other line kind of ended at the bottom. Now we're going to go ahead and add a tail. So we're going to make a curvy tail going up and make sure to follow the same curve going back down. All right, now we're going to make an eye. So we're going to do an upside down U. And we're going to do just a line going across. And then inside, we're going to go from here and we're just going to make a curve up. I'm going to do the same thing over here, make a curve for its pupil, and then just a little dot for its reflection. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So we have upside down U, line across, curve up, and a little curve inside, and a little dot. You have the eyes. Now let's do a little nose. It's just going to be an upside down triangle. Don't make it too big. And we're going to make its mouth. So the mouth is kind of going to be curved a little bit. So do a little kind of small W shape and then a U. All right, and then you can kind of connect here, do a few dots for its whiskers. And there you have the face. Now we can go ahead and add whiskers. So we're going to just add like 3 whiskers going off the sides. Like that. And then we are going to add legs. So where our line ended over here, that's going to be the end of its back leg, back foot. So we're going to kind of curve it up and back. And then we're going to curve it out. So this is its hind leg. And then we're going to go from this hind leg, we're going to go and curve up, kind of make the muscle of the front leg. I'm going to bring the front leg down, following that curve right there, all the way down to meet where this foot stops. And we're just going to do kind of a little curve there, a couple bumps, and curve it around. And then bring it back up. And then we're going to do another curve coming off of that leg to do our last leg. It's going to come all the way down. I think I made this line a little too big, so I'm going to go ahead and erase that. It's okay to make mistakes, that's why we use a pencil and an eraser. So I'm going to bring this curve back down here, and I'm going to end it right about here. Do the same kind of curve with this foot. And there you have it. Add whatever lines you want to do. Remember, I did stripes and everything on mine. You don't have to be that fancy. At this point, you can take a marker, go over it. Make sure to erase your extra lines that you don't want there. Make sure to go ahead and put your autograph, your signature on the bottom there, so you know it's yours. And there you have it. That's how you draw a cat. See you in my next video.